Hello. The world is ruled by division and hatred. Everywhere religions, ideas, culture, and color of skin divide us. The fear of others has partially come from our evolutionary history, and the desire to protect resources and living space for our offspring, and to defend against those who are not close genetic relatives. But we have progressed in knowledge since those primitive times. All time and space appears to have been compressed into a single point, a singularity, about 13.8 billion years ago. All people, planets in our solar system, and the sun itself, were part of one collapsing cloud of gas and dust, 4.5 billion years ago. All life on this planet shares the genetic code of RNA and DNA. We, the inhabitants of the planet Earth, are all made from similar blueprints. Wherever we look, science points to our interconnectedness and interdependence. As Carl Sagan said, we are on a pale blue dot. The Earth is like a vanishingly small speck of dust in space. What does it matter if there is a God or not? Why do we artificially create differences and bases for hostility? Should we not, on the basis of our intrinsic similarities, and on the basis of what is similar or the same in all of us, try to find ways to work together in harmony? We have to share finite resources on this pale blue dot, yet we pollute it with our wastes and use up the world's natural wealth, with little thought for what will be left for later generations. To you fundamentalists I ask, would you end the life of another, cut the head off, end all their dreams, thoughts and potential, just for the glory of a God? Would you cripple the teaching of our children, censor science, and teach ancient creation myths in the science classrooms of public schools, just because you fear science, or is it for the glory of God? Science cannot destroy God. If anything, science can only add to the glory of any possible creator God. Science is the continuous journey, the pursuit of gaining a greater understanding of the natural world. Science can only destroy ignorance, and add to knowledge. If your God is not a God of ignorance, then science cannot destroy your God. If you say that scientific knowledge of the natural world is against your God, if you deny the slow genetic change caused by the evolutionary process, then you deny that your God has ownership over the natural world, and also deny that your God is the God of fact and knowledge, and is only the God inside of the covers of the Bible, not outside of it. Evolution is clearly the only viable explanation of the fossil record, and the various genes found shared among species, and of the viral remnants found in our DNA. If your God is not the God of evolution, then your God is not the God of the natural world. Science cannot have a dogma, and knowledge can only grow if we continuously examine, criticize and analyze what we call truth. Truth is not a dogmatic absolute, it is the light at the end of the tunnel that we walk towards, in the hope that we might one day reach it. This is my first video, so I apologize if it is long and rambling.